First, in installation of the bracket, use the knife, open the bracket button. And then you can see the full set of the bracket. Okay, this is the bolts and nuts. First, take out all the accessories of the bracket from the bracket carton. Okay, you can see this is the full side view of the bracket. Now we will install the bracket. And then take out the upright leg. This is the detail you must pay attention to. This hole must be matched with this hole. And then take out the slide leg. This part is to strengthen the two bracket parts. Okay, one leg is installed. Okay, and use the same way to install the second leg. Okay, all of the two legs is finished the installation.